Alright guys, wanted to show you a quick and easy way to make your own jerky. I know not everybody has a dehydrator, or those things can be a real pain to try and clean. I personally got rid of mine because I was too lazy to clean out the grates. What I've used here is the deal that I use from a grill to cook fish on. It just kind of clamps over top of whatever piece of fish or meat that you put in it, and you can cook it on the grill. And a box fan. So after you have taken your meat and seasoned it, and make sure you cut it into very thin, small strips, and line your grate with the meat, making sure there's enough room on all sides of the meat for the air to flow. And once you got that all done, you want it to be at a nice, strong angle so that when you turn your fan on, that the air is blowing over all of the meat. And let it set for a good 12 to 24 hours. Kind of depends on the thickness of the meat. And also put a little precautionary statement: I'm not responsible for you eating something that ain't dehydrated all the way. So test this out and see what works for yourself. You just turn the fan on a low setting and let it set from 12 to 24 hours. And let the air do all the work for you. The room temperature is more than enough to dry out this meat, and the constant airflow around it will help in that dehydrating process. So just wanted to show you this quick do-it-yourself on how to make your own jerky. This is made out of venison backstrap and some tenderloin, and as you can see, I already got some of it is done, and we'll be storing it in a paper bag. You want something that is breathable. Once the jerky has already been dehydrated, it can absorb moisture that is in the air, but it can also cause it to go rancid if you put it in a sealed up bag like a Ziploc bag. So you put it in a paper bag so that it's able to breathe, and any moisture that may need to escape can inside of that paper bag. Jerky can be stored for years once it's made correctly. So hopefully this will give you guys just a few tips on something you can try out for yourself. Thanks for watching, guys. God bless.